Welcome to Spring LIB.
This is the answer to Chapter 11, problem number 41 from the Smith Organic Chemistry textbook. And this problem says, what two different alkynes yield 2-butanone from hydration with H2O, H2SO4, and HgSO4? And so I've drawn 2-butanone at the top of the screen here. And this is very similar to problem 11.33. Problem 33 from this chapter, where we looked at the two enols that could tautomerize to 2-butanone. And so basically that's what we're going to have to do again here. So we have 2-butanone, and we know if we're going to treat an alkyne with these reagents, the sulfuric acid, water, and mercury sulfate, we know that we're going to get an enol. And so the enol will tautomerize to 2-butanone. And so we kind of need to work backwards. So we have 2-butanone, and there are 2 enols that we could draw here. And so we could draw this enol, and we can draw this enol. And then we just need to think about what the alkynes that would give rise to these enols would look like. And so the conditions that we're using are going to add the alcohol on the more substituted carbon. And so for this one on the left, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this alkyne, when treated, and here let me go back and draw it in green. So if we treat this alkyne with these conditions, we will get the addition of that alcohol that we're looking for. And I realize I omitted a hydrogen there. So there we go. Right. So we will get the addition of the alcohol at that more substituted carbon. And then that will tautomerize to 2-butanone. And so that's good. That's one of the ones that we're looking for. And then the other way, so the one on the right, let's see. The one on the right would look like this. So rather than the terminal alkyne, if we have the interior alkyne, then there is, not one or the other that's more substituted. But in either case, when we use these conditions, we do get that enol, and then that enol will tautomerize to give us 2-butanone. So here are our 2 alkynes, and the green, again, was just double checking. And that's the answer to Chapter 11, problem number 41.